सभा निर्वाचन प्रथम पर्याय भोट ग्रहण शेष होईछि। आसंतु सीधा सड़क देखिनेबा निर्वाचन कमिशन को सांबादिक सम्मेलन।
The pandemic situation, the turnout of the voters has been more than the last assembly elections. It is projected to be more than the last assembly elections as well as the Lok Sabha election. As said by the CEC, the polling process is still continuing in some of the polling stations, and after this briefing we have another briefing by the Chief Electoral Officer of Bihar, who will give you further updates, and we are continuously getting the information. So as we get the figures, we will keep you informed. So some of the very few stray incidences have taken place in some of the places where the EVM VVPATs, they are malfunctioning. They have been replaced in the minimum possible time. And one very important aspect of this, that from very beginning the Commission had not taken only comprehensive preparation for the COVID arrangements, but also to make the elections totally inclusive for the person with disability, for women, for senior citizens. As you are aware that the postal ballot facility was provided to the voters who are 80 plus, and also to persons with disability, and large number of such category of people, they chose to take postal ballot and vote through the postal ballot. Also, the excellent arrangement was done in all the polling stations, and as Commission had issued a broad guidelines and had expected that at each and every polling station a comprehensive arrangements will be provided in the poll going state, and so for every polling station the detailed preparations were there, and it was quite that not only the electoral machine made a very good arrangement, but also the voters at large followed the discipline, and they abided all the rules and regulations related to COVID. Now, without further ado, I would request our DC in charges to brief you with the facts and figures. First of all, I request Chandra Bhushan, Deputy Election Commissioner in charge of Bihar and Expenditure Monitoring Division, to give you a snapshot of the facts and figures, also the turnout. Then Mr. Sudeep Jain, who will brief about the EVM VVPAT, and it's very heartening to also note that the EVM VVPAT failures have been minimal this time, and the replacement has also been done at a minimum possible time. And then further, Mr. Ashish Kundra will brief you about a lot of new applications which were introduced in these elections, and so we have the basket of such initiatives in the field of IT, ICT, that will be briefed by him, and further we'll take any question you would like to ask. Thank you very much, and I request now Chandra Bhushan to kindly brief.